is now
I'll
locked.
talk to you. Yeah, I'm almost rear-ended some dumbass from Wisconsin.
Continue to win the winnable games against AFC opponents in order to give themselves a shot at a one seed and a world where they wouldn't have to go on the road in an AFC champion, give themselves a shot at a one seed and a world where they wouldn't have to go on the road in an AFC championship.
Enjoy a clean car inside and out at Fusion Car Wash. Just sit back and let the Fusion team take care of the rest. Fusion Car Wash, where cars are made new again. On Spectrum Drive in Frederick, behind the Wawa by the FSK Mall. And now open on PJ Drive, too. Imagine the lights of Carnegie Hall, Matthew West on stage, and a full orchestra behind him. You could be there. We're sending one lucky.
Take O'Reilly Auto Parts. Need fast from the professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts.
You're listening to Dallas-Fort Worth's #1 for news.
Now we're going over to today, yeah. They for sure hit, yeah.
They'll be up on the side of the engine, laying down. Either
Oh, what are you doing?
Wow. It's osmosis. I get it. I've never heard of any of these people.
Pitran sheni deta shevetz.